Hi viewers, welcome to Briksham channel. Learn mathematics easily.
Today we are going to see sequence and series. What is sequence, what is series, and arithmetic progression, geometric progression as part 1. Okay. What is mean by sequence first? So sequence means set of numbers arranged in a particular order is called a sequence. Sequence is set of numbers arranged in a particular order. Okay, so it may be anything and each number in the sequence is called a term. So here we have two definitions. What is mean by sequence and a term. So each number in a sequence is called term. Okay, each number in a sequence is called a term. These are already two definitions we must know. So the sequence example we can consider. First one, 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. Then next one, -7, -10, -13, -14, etc. This is an example of a sequence. Okay, so here, what is the definition? Set of numbers arranged in a particular order. So here we have the set of numbers arranged 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. So what is the particular order? The difference between the successive terms are 3. So for example, 4 minus 1, 3, 7 minus 4, 3, 10 minus 7, 3. Likewise, it is given. This is the particular order. Okay. And here, this one is called the first term. This one is the second term. 7 is the third term. And 10 is the fourth term in this sequence. And each number is called the terms of a sequence. Okay. So, what is the general form of the sequence? So, general form of the sequence, we can write it as, for example, A1, A2, A3, A4, etc. So this is the general form of the sequence, and here A1 is called the first term, A2 is called the second term, A3 is called the third term, A4 it is the fourth term, etc. AN we can say it as nth term. Likewise it goes on. Okay. So hope you are clear with the sequence. Next we will move on to series. So see what is sequence? Set of numbers arranged in a particular order. And what is term? Each number in a sequence is called a term. And we have discussed the examples also. Series. So we know what is sequence. In a sequence, if we are connecting the successive terms by plus or minus sign, then we can call it as series. Okay. So how do you define? When the successive terms of a sequence are connected by plus or minus sign, then we can call it as a sequence. Okay, so the general form of the then we can call it as a series. The general form of a series is A1. So for example, A1, A2, A3, etc. as a sequence, we are connecting by plus or minus sign, then it will turn into a series. Okay. So A1 plus A2 plus etc. is a series. And the example for series is, we have written the sequence. So from this we will convert the series. So already we have written like this: 1, 4, 7, 10, etc. So we have to connect by plus or minus sign, either plus sign or minus sign. So this will become as a series. And the second example, -7, minus 10, minus 14. We have taken like this. So we can add it. Minus 7 plus minus 10 plus minus 14 plus etc. So this will become as a series. And here we have two types of series. One is finite and another one is infinite. So series we can differentiate into finite series and infinite series. What is finite series and what is infinite series? So if we have finite number of terms in a series, okay, so finite series means finite number of terms. So if we have finite number of terms in a series, then we can call it as finite series. So example for finite series is 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus etc. up to 100 terms, 200 terms. Likewise, the end term is given means then we can call it as finite series. So next one, infinite series. If the end term, that is the nth term is not known. Okay, if we have infinite number of terms, a series contains infinite number of terms, then it is called infinite series. Or otherwise we can say that the end term is not known, where it is stopping, it is not known, then we can call it as infinite series. So for example, we can consider 2, 5, 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus etc. up to infinity. So likewise, if we are taking means, then this is an example of an infinite series. So end term is not known, then we can call it as infinite series, right? Hope you are clear with the series. So initially we have two important types of series. So one is arithmetic series.
If you are comfortable, kindly like, subscribe and press the bell button for further notifications. Thank you.